4 times 4 gives us 16. 16 minus 4 gives us 12. 12 divided by 4 gives us 3, and 3 plus 4 finally gives us 7. Do you think that's the right answer? So pause the video and think about it. Unfortunately, this is not the right answer because you made a crucial mistake in the order of operations. So we have a rule for order of operations. If you don't follow that, you will always end up with the wrong answer. But what is the correct order of operations? It is something called PEMDAS. What the hell, PEMDAS? Yes, it is PEMDAS. So P stands for parentheses in PEMDAS. E stands for exponents. M stands for multiplication. D stands for division. A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. And this is a vector, an arrow that shows the order of operations, the priority of operations. So from the top, which has the highest priority, to the bottom, which has the lowest priority. So according to PEMDAS, which you can easily remember and memorize as using the sentence, maybe, please excuse me, dear Aunt Sally. That's right. Please excuse me, dear Aunt Sally. You can easily remember that. According to PEMDAS, we must do parentheses at first, if there is any parentheses. So is there any parentheses in our original problem? No, there isn't. Is there any exponents in our original problem? No, again, there is no exponent. So what do we have in original problem? We have multiplication, subtraction, division, addition. So according to PEMDAS, multiplication and division, they have a higher priority than addition and subtraction. But there is a very, very crucial and critical rule for multiplication and division. You must do them from left to right. So MD or DM, it doesn't matter at all. So whichever you see at first. So you can't do always, I don't know, multiplication over division or division all over multiplication. You must do them from left to right. And that's probably the mistake that we made in our first attempt. So we have multiplication. We should get rid of the multiplication and division at first, but at first we see multiplication. So let's do this. 4 times 4 gives us 16, right? Then let's write everything down again. 16 minus 4 divided by 4 plus 4, okay? Now we have just one division. The rest is addition and subtraction, which have the lower priority. We must do division now. You can't say 16 minus 4 because you are breaking the PEMDAS rule. So 16 minus 4 divided by 4 gives us 1, and then plus 4. Now we just have addition and subtraction, so easily go from left to right. 16 minus 1, 15 plus 4. So 15 plus 4 gives us 19, and that's the only correct answer. So as your homework, so should you choose to accept it, is, so what would the answer be if we had, for example, this 4 plus 4 inside the bracket? So make sure to drop your thoughts and answers in the comments below. Like the video if you haven't already, and subscribe to the channel, please.